Today I'm going to show you how to make the Paula Beanie, which is this gorgeous ribbed beanie with a brim. This is the closed hole version of my viral messy bun beanie. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, to get started, we're going to need some worsted weight yarn, a size 5mm hook, some scissors, and also a tapestry needle at the end when you tie in your ends. We're going to be making the ribbed look from the very top. And so let's get started. You're going to start with a magic circle. So this is how you get the center hole super tight like that. So you're going to just lay your string on your fingers. You're gonna come across with your yarn, do an X, flip over, grab your yarn through the hole, and then make 2 chains, okay? Now we're gonna do 9 double crochet in my circle. Okay, so I've done 9 and now I'm gonna just pull my string, close my hole tight, and then I'm gonna slip stitch into the second chain of my chain 2, which counts as my first double crochet. That's why we did 9 stitches. So with our chain, we have 10. And now we're going to chain 2. And in this round, we're going to increase by 10 because we have 10 that we started with. So that's going to be our increase for every round. We're going to do a front post double crochet around the chain from our row below. So I'm going to yarn over, I'm going to go around my whole stitch, grab some yarn, come through, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. Okay? So in every stitch around, we're going to go into the top stitch and we're going to do a front post double crochet around the post from the row below. So I'm going to yarn over, go in, do my double crochet, and then yarn over and also do a front post in the same stitch section of the hat. Okay? Now, if you're extra on top of it, you're also going to sew your tail in at the same time as you're doing this, so you don't have to do that later. So you're just I'm gonna show you how to do that too. You're gonna yarn over, you're gonna make sure this is kind of laid over here with your chain so that you're kind of tucking it in the back there. And then you're gonna pull through, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, and do my front post. Like that. Oops. Okay. And we're gonna keep going around. All right, we've come all the way around and now we're going to slip stitch into the second chain of our chain 2 here. So I'm gonna slip stitch to close this round, and that's the end of round 2. You should have 20 stitches. Okay, round 3, we're gonna chain 2 and we're gonna double crochet in the same chain 2 space. And where we have a post, we're gonna do a front post double crochet. So I have a post here, I'm gonna yarn over, go through and do a front post double crochet. Then in my next stitch, which is a regular double crochet, I'm gonna do 2 double crochet. So I'm gonna do that all the way around. I'm gonna do a post where I see posts. And then I'm gonna do 2 double crochet in my double crochet space. All right, so I've come all the way around. I'm gonna just slip stitch. And for round 4, we're gonna chain 2. We're gonna double crochet in the same chain 2 space. I have a double crochet here, so I'm gonna do 1 double crochet there. I'm gonna do a front post around my post. Okay, and the pattern repeat for this round is you're gonna do 2 double crochet in this one, 1 double crochet here and a post, 2, 1 and a post, and you're going to do that all the way around. If you haven't already, go ahead and download my PDF crochet pattern so that you can have all this written out step by step and you can just keep it forever. All right, I've come all the way around. I've got one more post here. And slip stitch to your chain 2. Okay, for round 5, we're going to chain 2. You're going to double crochet in the same space, and it's the same concept for this round as well. We've got 2 double crochets. We're going to do 1 in each of those. Do a front post around your post. And for this round, the pattern repeat is you've got these sections. You see how you have sections of double crochets and where there's the posts? You're going to do a double crochet increase in the first, 2 double crochet and a post. So double crochet increase, 2 double crochet and a post, and that's the pattern repeat for this round. So in every round, we're following the same amount of number. So round 1 was 10 stitches, round 2 is 20 stitches, round 3 is 30 stitches, round 4 is 40, so round 5 is 50 stitches. Okay, so you're going to finish up this row, slip stitch to your chain 2, and round 6, we're going to do one more round of increases. I'm going to double crochet in the same chain space. I'm going to do my double crochets across. And I'm going to do my front post double crochet here. And then I'm going to do my increase. Round 6, you're going to do a double crochet increase, 3 double crochets across and a post, and do that all the way around, and you will have 60 stitches. All right, so we're almost done with this row. And slip stitch. All right, so for this round, you should have 60 stitches. And now we're going to stop increasing our rows and we're going to be just working this across. So go ahead and jump over to my other tutorial so that you can follow the rest of the hat. And I tend to go with a size 5mm hook because I really like my hats to be snugly and fit and be snuggle, against my ears to keep me warm. But you can choose to do a 5.5mm hook if you want your hat to be a little bit looser, if you have a bigger head. You have to also consider that hats expand over time. So that's another reason I use a size 5mm hook, but you can alternate and see how you like it. Make one with a 5.5, make one with a 5, see how that goes. Thanks for watching, guys.